traffic is bad enough on many thoroughfares of Manila. But trucks and large containers are being routed through some of these streets after the MMDA temporarily banned trucks on Roxas Boulevard.
Some streets in the city of Manila will be crowded with large trucks and container vans more than usual after the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority banned trucks from using Roxas Boulevard. This was prompted by the road repair being undertaken by the Department of Public Works and Highways on Roxas Boulevard fronting the U.S. Embassy. The ban covers trucks and trailers with a gross capacity weight of over 4,500 kilograms. These trucks and trailers will have to take alternate routes identified by the MMDA. Those heading from the SLEX support area can take the following route. From South Luzon Expressway straight to Osmeña Highway to President Quirino Avenue, turn left to Plaza de Lao, towards President Quirino Extension, left at UN Avenue, right to Romualdez, left to Ayala Avenue, P. Burgos Avenue, then right to Bonifacio Drive to the destination. Those heading out of the port area to SLEX can take the following route. From Bonifacio Drive, turn left to P. Burgos Ayala Boulevard, then turn right to San Marcelino, turn left to President Quirino Avenue, then turn right to President Osmeña Highway to SLEX. The MMDA said the ban will be enforced until the time the repairs on Roxas Boulevard are completed.
There seems to be no end to roadworks being undertaken in the metropolis, either for repairs or for improving utilities such as water lines or phone and internet connections. The MMDA has its work cut out to mitigate their effects on traffic flow.